Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Raj. More than 8 years experience in web design. Before 4 years before I started Fiverr account and I start working here. Still now I earned more than 40,000 US dollars in Fiverr. In this video, I want to share my experience and some ideas how you can most successful in Fiverr. Successful ways to make money in Fiverr. I hope this video helpful to the new users. If you want to sell something, if you want to sell your knowledge, if you want to sell your experience to the worldwide community, worldwide buyers, Fiverr is the best place. In Fiverr, we can see lot of categories. You can sell your service. One second. Yeah, one second. Here you can see there is lot of services and different categories you can sell in Fiverr. Right. The first thing, once you decided to sell in Fiverr, first you need to create your profile. Profile means this is here. Here is the usernames. I click someone. Okay. See? Right. Here, this is the profile. This is the profile actually. So first you need to work on your profile. If you create your profile very attractive and very user friendly to the buyers, you can get more orders. The first point you need to consider to use your real picture, real photo. That's the best way to promote your jigs. You can see here, see there is a lot of categories. I will show you just logo design. Yes, most of the sellers using their own photos, they will get more orders than without photos in the profile picture. So using our own photo is the first important requirement. It's not a requirement, it's an important factor to decide your sales in Fiverr. After you used your own photograph, then you write a beautiful description. That's a good description, helps buyers can easily understand what you are offering to them. What's your service, what's your knowledge, and what's your skills. So here you see me and my design team at my agency Angel Beauty. So this type of good description help sellers easily understand your skills. In the time of creating profile, there is a requirement from Fiverr side to you, asking about your skills. There you clearly mention what you can do from your jigs. It means from your experience, you just shortlist 8 to 10 skill sets. So you just clearly mention those skills in your profile. Here in this page, this example seller clearly mentioned his skills: brand identity, illustration, page layout, printing design, wallpaper design, graphic packaging. So she clearly mentioned his skills in his profile. So these buyers can easily understand, okay, this seller can do their job very good. So this is the first impression. So they will choose you or they will contact you easily. Your skills are like a visiting card to the new one. If you display your skills in a clear manner, and the important skills if you display in your profile, that helps buyers can easily contact you. After skills, you spend time on the keywords. Actually, keywords you can use in the jigs, so we will see the keywords later in this video. Then education and certifications are the important point. You can get the certification from Fiverr itself. Fiverr gives you a lot of testing options. So you just attend the online exam, online test. You will receive a certifications from Fiverr. So you can add those certifications in your Fiverr profile. Once you complete these important steps in your Fiverr account profile, then you can ready to move the next step. So the work on your profile is very, very important in Fiverr. So let me go to the next important factor you need to consider in Fiverr as a seller. The second thing you need to consider: add a good description in your jigs. Your jigs are like a sales page. Your jigs are like a sales email. Your jigs are like an advertisement. So if you create a good description in your jig, that help buyers easily can understand, and they can satisfied, and they believe. After that only they will contact you and give you the orders. So here you see the Creative Man is a top rated seller. Just I check. He created a jig. I will run a Facebook ad campaign to grow page likes. This is the description actually. The first thing you need to remember: you write a description like a boss, because your description can give the confidence to the seller. Okay, this guy can do this job perfectly, because you clearly mention all the important points in your description, and you show all the ability in the description. So write your description like a boss. The second thing, you mention the important points, best important points in your jig. See this jig. He's a top rated seller. He clearly mentioned the important points. He selected a 5 most important points. He just listed under the subtitle benefits. He listed. So we must highlight best points in our jig. Once we mention the best points in our jig, buyers can easily read our service and they will conclude and they will satisfy themselves, and after that they will click the contact button and contact you. After that, another one important thing you need to consider the delivery time. Of course, in all jigs, all services in Fiverr, we need to mention the delivery time. The delivery time is an important factor to get more orders, because each jig have more competitive in Fiverr. Like you, more sellers offering the similar services in Fiverr. If you do a blog writing, there are thousands of sellers also offering the blog writing services. So the delivery time is very important. If you offer the good work in small period of time, most of the buyers like that. But you remember, if you can easily put the very less time, 2 days, 3 days, I will do this job in 2 days, 3 days time, but you need to deliver them a good quality of work. That's important. So you mention whatever the possible time, but the best possible time in your jigs. For this example, see this jig, he do the basic package 7 days delivery, standard package 8 days delivery, premium package 12 days delivery. So this is the important. The delivery time is very important factor to receive more orders. After that, you need to consider bonus services. Each service, each jig you promote in Fiverr, you think about what bonus service we can offer in this jig. The successful jigs, the successful seller in Fiverr do this bonus services in their orders. For example, we will do whiteboard animation experience. We will check some level 2 seller. Okay, we will see this check. See, he have 8 orders in queue, more than 300 best ratings. Next check is I will create a motion graphics explainer video. So everything he is clearly mentioned all the delivery time and the important points. Here you can see why buy from us. He give the important points. So the bonus services, if you provide in your jig, that's attractive to the buyers, so they can easily filter out. Most of our human character is, we will shortlist 5 or 10 sellers first. First we will contact a lot of sellers. Hey, I need this work, I need this job. That type of messages they will send, not only to you, they will send more than 10 or 15, 20 sellers. From the 20 sellers, they will receive replies. From the 20 sellers, they will shortlist more than 3 or 5. So from the 3 or 5 sellers, they will select one. If you want to shortlist and select that one, you need to give some more benefits to the buyers. That's why I tell you, you give some bonus services in your checks. After that, another one important point regarding the good description in the jigs. Another one important point is, you mention the refund policy in the jig. That's similar like this. Okay, if you're not satisfied with my job, I will give you 100% refund, like that. So if you mention that refund policy in your jigs, that's help buyers to think a positive approach on your jig and your service, so they can feel comfortably, and so they will, after that they will contact you. These are the important points you need to consider about your jig description. Once you created your jig and the player description, then you concentrate on the keywords. This is also within the category of jig description, but this is a SEO site. SEO means search engine optimization, but here is Fiverr is like a search engine. You need to understand how the Fiverr search works. Fiverr search is not only filter out the keywords. Fiverr search results are different from Google. Fiverr search results are different from any other search engines. Actually, Fiverr is not a search engine. It's a freelancing site. So it displays the jigs, the seller's work abilities based on some criteria: past performance, descriptions, related services. Past performance means if you do well and received more reviews and good positive feedbacks, that's help you. Your jigs will come in the front of the front sites, first or second pages in Fiverr results, search results. So Fiverr search results are not only depends upon the descriptions, but description is one of the important factor to display your jigs in the Fiverr search results. So target our keywords in the jig. If we target our keywords smartly in the jig, that helps we can easily make display our jigs in Fiverr search results first 3 pages. So use our target keywords 3 to 4 times in the jig description. The target keyword means, for this jig example, graphics explainer video. This is the target keyword. Okay, you can see this keyword maybe he will use in the description 3 or 4 times. Maybe not exactly that keyword, you can use the related keywords itself. So once you use the main keyword in the descriptions, that's the important factor. Your jig will display in the search results in first 3 pages. The second point you consider, use keyword in title intelligently. Use keyword in jig title intelligently. I take this example. Actually, this is the explainer video. Explainer video is the main keyword. So he create a simple title. I will create a motion graphics explainer video. So this is the keyword. So he used his main keyword in his jig title. You can see almost all the first page jigs are used these simple tricks to make their jig listed in the first 1 or 2 pages. See, I will make an amazing animated live look to your still photos. I will convert green screen video into transparent. Loop animation. So loop animation is a keyword. So here he is a new seller. I will animate your pictures and photo will do live motion. See here, he is a level 1 seller, but his jig comes in the first page because he used a main keyword in the jig title. Actually, this is not only a factor, not only a criteria to come out in the first page, but this is an important factor. Use your keyword intelligently in the title, jig title. These things you need to consider in the jig keywords. Once you set your keywords properly in the jig title and jig descriptions, then you need to go on there, work on similar jigs. Similar jigs means similar works. I will show you an example. See this category, writing and translation. Here is writing and translation. Writing and translation is a content writing job, right? The content writing is not only for blogs. The content writing need for ebooks, postcard writing, proofreading, editing. These are all the related services. See, that's why they are mentioned here, the subcategories. The subcategories are the related service. We can create a similar jigs. Fiverr have levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 3 is a top rated seller. So in these levels, each level have a jig counts limit. So you can create this similar jigs for the same writing. If you are very talented in article writing, content writing, then you can create 4 or 5 jigs only for writing, like this blog writing. I can do a amazing content writing. I can do amazing blog writing. I will do amazing podcast writing. This type of jigs you can create. See, in this example, I will take one example here: book and ebook writing. Here, see, he is a top rated seller. Let me see what he offering in his jig. See, he will do only writing jobs, right? I will exceptionally write children's storybook or script ghostwriter. Okay, he will include the keywords in his title. Okay, so here you see, I will exceptionally ghostwrite your children's kids rhyming story or poetry. Actually, he used more keywords in the jigs, but they are related to the writing. So let me see his third jig. I will ghostwrite your funny comic children's kids book story or ebook. This is funny. His title he used more keywords. See, I will ghostwrite your spookies. Let me see. Actually, this is not one clear meaningful sentence, actually, right? But I'm not suggest you to write this type of title. You write simple and attractive. That's very efficient. You see here, one order queue, but maybe he's a top rated seller, but one order in queue. But in the description, he do a very good presentation. He do the important points, and maybe his delivery also very good. That's why he will become a top rated seller here. So this is the similar jigs. So once you give the related services on your jobs, buyers can easily identify and easily confirm which seller can do that requirement. Because some buyers are thinking, you can write anything, but buyers want a person who want to write only for a blog, particularly in technology related or digital media related content writer only I need. Some buyers I need only the medical related content writer only I need. That type of buyers, because they want to filter out. They want a specific seller, specific freelancer for his job. So we need to, once we split our services in multiple jigs, that help buyers can easily identify which one is best for them. Actually, this is my profile. Still now I received 641 reviews, almost all 5-star reviews. I only offering 3 jigs. I'm a web designer. I can create Shopify related websites, then WordPress related websites, and the landing page and sales page. These 3 jigs only I am offering. Let me see some other examples. See, yeah. Let me see this seller. Okay. She writing blog post, edit your script or document, ghostwrite. Then I will be to read your book and provide honest feedback. I will edit your document. I will ghostwrite your fiction manuscript. So these are the related service actually. Okay, she's a content writer, but she classified and she difference each of the service and her reject. Next important thing you need to consider as a Fiverr seller, that ensure your services are new and unique. It means you provide your jigs, you provide your services that feel sellers, that feel buyers, this service is new, this service is something unique from other sellers. That type of service if you offer, that will work best in Fiverr. Because innovative ideas always work in any platform, not only in Fiverr, it's any platform it will work. So we provide a service very unique compared to other sellers. See these are just we search Facebook ads. Okay, just we search. See what are the services there in the first page. I will run laser targeted Facebook ads campaign to the best results. Okay, it's a Facebook ads campaign here. Then I will create Shopify Facebook video ad for your dropshipping product. So this is a unique service. He is not creating any store. He is not run any Facebook ad campaign. He is just creating a video ad. Okay, so he just creating a video ad for the buyer's dropshipping site. This is called unique service. Let me see this J. See Facebook video ads. He is not running a video ad campaign. He is just creating a video advertisement only. He requires buyer logo and website address and the product link. Then he create a video for the product. This is also a video ad. He provides 3 stunning Facebook video ads. So the next one, let me see here. I will design social media post, Facebook post, Instagram post ads. This seller provides the Facebook ad campaign. He will work as a Facebook ads manager. He provides Facebook ad copy. Actually, this is a content writing. He is not managing any advertisement ad campaign, or he is not doing any ad campaign. He not create any video ad. He only write a powerful Facebook ad copy. That's a text. Okay, so he see here he already finished more than 500, 567 5-star rated seller. That's good. So this type of new and innovative ideas we can easily get more orders in Fiverr. After this point, you need to consider another one point is create a jig for less competitive. That's important. Create jig for less competitive. For example, if you're just writing a content writing, we can see a lot of sellers available in Fiverr. In this page, just you take this example, Facebook ads. The Facebook ad campaign management, we can see the lot of sellers, but the Facebook video ad is a new one. Actually, this is a less competitive compared to Facebook ad campaign management. So we create our jigs only less competitive service that help to get orders easily. If you choose the competitive niche, that's very hard to get buying inquiries. After another one important point, we must deliver order more than what you promised. It means you mention what we will get, so in the description we clearly mention what we will deliver in our order. After getting buying requirements and everything, we will deliver these. So we will give the details to the buyer. In the order delivery time, you deliver them more than what you promised in your jig description. That's help you to get more and more orders in your Fiverr. Because buyers want to get something more than their requirement, because they feel if you provide them something more than what you promised, then only they will feel your work is value for their money. Okay, these are important points you consider in your service, what your service offering in your jig. Once you created your jigs, then we need to market them. Marketing a Fiverr jig from not only in Fiverr, we can use some other multiple digital media sources as well. I already told Fiverr search function is not like a search engine function. Fiverr search results depends upon various factors. So you can consider to advertise your jigs from other digital sources. One of the best Facebook, then Twitter, then Google Ads, before doing Google Ads, you just check out the Fiverr terms, because Fiverr have some limitations in Google Ads using their jigs and services we can't freely use in Google Ads. So you can use Facebook, Twitter, then another one, LinkedIn ads. Okay, LinkedIn is a best source to advertise our Fiverr gigs, because LinkedIn is a social network of professionals, so they need websites and lot of digital media, digital related requirements they have. So LinkedIn is best platform to advertise your Fiverr gigs. Another one way you can do blogs. Blogger is a free platform. Then you can use WordPress, but this way you need to wait. Creating a blog and do SEO is not a 1 or 2 days job, but you can advertise in Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. You can do that in few days and start receiving new buyers to your gigs. But creating a website, creating a blog and doing SEO, it means you create a one blog for your gig. You mention here all the points. I am doing this service and I can do all everything you will mention in your gig, in your blog. Then you need to do SEO. SEO is a free search engine optimization. You do it, but it takes very longer time to get in the search results. So I suggest you to use the paid advertising like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn ads. So if you practice, if you promote your gigs through these medias, through these social networks, you can easily get more buyers to your orders. These are some promotional ways, but the important thing is your service and your work quality keeps you getting more orders in Fiverr. So the final important thing we need to consider in Fiverr to make successful and getting more orders and make more money in Fiverr, we must keep our clients happy. What it means, make clients happy. So this is nothing, you maintain your work quality. The first thing you need to always follow, you maintain your work quality. If you offer a service, you just deliver the quality of work. It's not dependent on the time delivery, but you give the wonderful work, or the work quality is good. You can get more and more good reviews that help you to get more orders. And the next one, guarantee on repeat works. Guarantee on repeat works means once you receive order from a buyer, after some days, that same buyer will ask you some small updation or small modification. So you just give them a guarantee, I will do. You can contact me later, contact me after some, anytime you can contact me, I will do that work. Maybe some buyers will come again after 1 or 2 weeks. They will request you to do more works, but they will asking you, it's like a just updation, but you only know it's not a easy job, but it need to spend more time for this updation. So in that type of time, you just inform them, I will do it for a small amount, small extra amount. You will send them custom offer. They will they will pay you. After that, you start that updation work and deliver them. The important thing you need to consider with buyer interaction in Fiverr is never argue with your buyer. Maybe you are right on any reason. Your point of view is right, but you know the buyer is speaking with you wrongly. On the time also, you never argue. Just ignore them. So never argument, because if you do any argument, that will end with in the. If you do argument, that will end in the decreased ratings. Okay, so this type of, maybe a lot of buyers you can see 5-star rating, but someone see 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star also 6%. This seller received 1099 reviews still now. Okay, from 1099 it's a 4.9 ratings, because ratings are very important, because the ratings are very important factor for the new buyers. So in this 1099 reviews, more than 1000 people give 5-star rating for his work. 4 stars gave by 44 buyers. 11 buyers gave 3 stars. 5 buyers gave 2 stars, and 6 buyers gave 1 star. So you just see here, 1 star. 1 star means he's something very is not satisfied in this work, and maybe there is a lot of reasons. So that's why I'm saying never argue with your buyer. Maybe you are right on any reason. So keep good ratings in your profile. So ratings are very important, and the feedbacks are very important to get the repeated orders and new buyers. I hope you enjoy this video. All the best. You can do good jobs and start using Fiverr. Once again, I say thank you for watching. See you on next week. See you on next video. Thank you. Bye.